Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. It's another unboxing video and I'm going to be unboxing Glossybox October boxes. That's right, I got two of them. One is devil and one is an angel. Beautiful, beautiful boxes. Absolutely stunning. So pretty. So if you subscribe to Glossybox, or if you're thinking of subscribing to Glossybox, then you will receive one of these. Now, I popped a post up on my Facebook page, I think it was yesterday, and a few people said in the comments that they were able to see what box they're getting. So if you are already subscribed and you're dying to find out what box you'll be receiving in the next couple of days, go on to your Glossybox account, click on your subscriptions, and it should come up and tell you there. Now, these are both PR boxes, so they're sent to me a little bit early to tell you all about it and to show you on my channel, but I am still subscribed to Glossybox. I've been with them for over 2 years and I like to keep my subscription going because with those boxes I like to give them to my friends and family, or put them up for giveaways on my Instagram or Facebook page, which is exactly the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. So I was able to see that I'm getting the devil box there. So because I didn't know I was going to be receiving 2 PR boxes, I'm going to be giving my devil box up for a giveaway. If you're interested in receiving a devil box for yourself, to enter the giveaway you have to be subscribed to my channel. I want you to comment down below saying you wish to be entered into the giveaway. Please like this video and click the notifications bell, and if you're under 18, please have consent from a parent or guardian. I think that's it. And a winner will be chosen at random through a random generator picker. I'll write it all down below, so all information you'll be able to see. So underneath this video, click show more. That'll bring up description and all details will be listed down there, as well as details related to the subscription boxes and also Glossybox's advent calendar, which if you haven't seen, I'll put my video down below as well. So back to the unboxing then. So I've got 2 of these to show you. Before I show you, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what Glossybox is all about, but if you know it all and you just want to see what's inside of these boxes, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is Glossybox UK. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. It contains 5 beauty items, but sometimes we do have extra freebies, and I know that in this month's box we have got 6 items, including a drink. Which if you don't know, I'll show you in a little while. You get a good mix of skincare and makeup. I think it's almost even. I think you also get things like hair care, you sometimes get perfumes, and also you get like makeup brushes and sponges and things like that as well. So for the value, I think it's an amazing box. It's one of my top favourite subscription boxes out there. If you opt for a monthly subscription, you can cancel any time, but they also do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, which brings the costs down. I do have a discount code for 20% off your first box, so if you'd like to receive this box for £8, you're welcome to use Claire20. I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, because I'm a bit excited about the giveaway and the fact that I've got 2 boxes, yeah, my brain is a bit like a sieve, but any information that I've missed out or got wrong or something, I will pop down below, so please take a look in the description if you want more information. So let's get on to opening them. So the way I'm going to do it is unbox them side by side, because they both contain the same product contents, but there's difference in like shade and flavour and things like that. So I'm going to be opening them up side by side instead of doing them one by one individually. So in both, you can see we've got leaflets here, and we've got a little leaflet telling you about the advent calendar. Now the advent calendar costs £80, but if you're a subscriber to Glossybox, you were able to get it for £70. So it's just got a little bit of information about that there. The leaflet's exactly the same except for the contents. So inside here it tells you everything that's in the boxes, and it tells you the price as well, so I'm able to tot it up and to tell you the actual value. So I'll be referring to these as we go along. So the sneak peek for November's beauty box is a Candy Cosmetics, I think it says. The writing's not very clear. I'll show you now. It is a multi-purpose hydrating mist that can be applied before or after your makeup for a beautiful bronzed glow. Oh my word. Oh, I wonder if it's like this. Hold on. I got a MAC Fix Plus here and it's gold lit, but it's got a shimmery gold in it as well. I wonder if that is going to be like that. I've never heard of that brand before. So everyone that receives a November box will get one of those in their box. The paper's really pretty. It's all like sky and clouds. It's really lovely. Oh my word. Okay. So that's the contents of the angel box. Hello. Wow. And that's the contents of the devil box. So we start off with the lip crayons. So we've got a lip crayon by Lord & Berry, and this is in shade Devil Red. See there? I'll swatch it on my hand to show you. Then we got a pink one in the Angel box, which is called Angel Pink. Whoa, that pink is really bright. That is super, super bright. I'll show you now. Let's see the red. Oh, definitely more me. Definitely more me. That pink is really bright, isn't it? Really, really bright. I think if I had to choose it, I'd definitely go for the red. It's not for me. It's a bit too candy pink for me. Too pale and a bit too bright. No, not for me, unfortunately. That is stunning. Absolutely love it. I love lipstick crayons. They are so easy to apply. They're sort of like a demi-matte, so they go on really nicely. They feel creamy, but they are quite long lasting. Plus, you can get right in there and create quite a sharp outline because they sort of act as a lip liner as well. I absolutely love them. This colour is gorgeous, and I'm going to keep that on now. So looking at the leaflets, the recommended retail price for these lipsticks are £15 each. And then it goes on to say that it's formulated with hydrating vitamin E, and then it talks about not drying your lips out and then using it as a liner. Exactly what I just said. So that's our first item in the box. In the Angel box, we've got a luxury white hot chocolate, and it says a buttery sweet masterpiece guaranteed to put an angelic smile on your face. That's what it looks like there. And this is a sticky toffee pudding in the Devil box, and it says sticky toffee pudding flavoured with white hot chocolate. Indulge your dark side with this dessert-worthy concoction. Drink me if you dare. I'm gonna have to give one to one of my children, but I'm keeping the other. But look at the packaging on the back. The sugar skulls. They are so, so cool. Really, really cool. I love that packaging. So it says this extra treat is worth £2, but to buy the full size 350 grams, it will cost you £8. And it just says simply pour your sachet into a mug, then gently add 200 ml of hot milk, stir thoroughly and enjoy. So there's that. Next we've got palettes. Those are both beautiful shades. Absolutely gorgeous. I would have been happy with either of those. Really, really pretty. This is from the Devil box and this is from the Angel. And they both have their name as Devil and Angel. So it looks like Glossybox have actually collaborated with these brands to come up with this packaging maybe. It's a bit of a coincidence, isn't it? I think it's brilliant. Really, really cool. So these are by Style London and we've got 9 eyeshadows. There's the shades there. That one is stunning. Really, really pretty. So that's the Angel palette. Gosh, those colours are so intense. They are beautiful. So that's the Devil palette. They are quite bright and bold, aren't they? I love them. I absolutely love them. Especially that goldy orange. That is stunning. Really pretty. So the recommended retail price for these eyeshadows are £15 each. And then it just goes on to saying that these are talc, paraben and cruelty-free shadows. So yeah. So there's those. Next we got crayon eyeliners by Mucko Beauty. I've never heard of them before. That's what they look like there. Angel on the bottom and we got Devil at the top. So let's open them. Retractable black eyeliner with a built-in sharpener that contours the lash line for everyday wear. Ooh, they are both exactly the same. So they're both black eyeliners. They've just got different outer packaging there. Very, very fine nib. I really like that actually. It's tiny, super, super tiny. Ooh, and I like that it's not too smudgy either. Perfect for doing like inner rim eyeliner, just especially underneath the eyes. Underneath the eyelashes, I mean. That's nice. That is really nice. It is a black eyeliner, obviously. Black eyeliners, we get a lot of them. But no, that is super, super tiny. So yeah, I'm really chuffed to see what that is like. It's not Mucko Beauty. What a wally. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's not Mucko Beauty. Oh, flipping Aura, who would call their brand Mucko Beauty? It's Model Co. Oh, I feel really embarrassed. I feel really embarrassed. Anyway, to buy these Model Co eyeliners, it'll cost you £15 each. And it says here, a highly pigmented and smudge-proof formula lasts all day, while the precise tips makes application easy. So, yeah. So there's those. Next we've got a face mask and these look pretty cool. They're all glittery. Quibella Professional, and this is illuminating holographic peel off mask and it contains violet and jasmine extract, and this is what you'll receive in the Angel box. And in the Devil you'll get a plumping gold peel off masks, contains real gold powder. Those two together. Don't they look cool? Can you see up close? Can you see the gold there? That is really pretty, isn't it? And that one. See all the shimmer there. It's really pretty. So to buy these, it'll cost you £2.49 each. It says simply apply onto your cleansed complexion, give it 20 minutes to work its magic, then gently peel it off to reveal soft and refreshed skin. So there's those. And lastly, we have got some angel dust and devil's dust. So what's these? Oh, it's by Bubble Tea and it's in collaboration with Glossybox, and these are foaming bath powder. Oh my gosh, both of them are foaming. Yeah, both are foaming bath powders. Look at those. Gorgeous design. Gorgeous design. So yeah, so foaming bath powder, a heavenly treat after a long day. Fill your tub with the shimmery halo of foaming bath powder and allow the heavenly scent to soothe your body and mind. Fill your tub with a splash of fiery bath powder and allow the fruity scent to refresh your mind and body. They are lovely. They're a little bit different, aren't they? So the recommended retail price for these are £4.99. It says sprinkle the foaming bath powder in your bath, and then when it starts to bubble, then get in. I have never tried anything like this before. I am so excited to see what it's like. Bubbling foaming bath powder. Oh my gosh. So those are all the products. So I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up as well. So these are all the products from the Angel box. There's 6 products in all. The box costs £10 and the actual value of the items come to around £55. So you can see here we've got a face mask, we've got a hot chocolate, we've got an eyeshadow palette, we've got foaming bath powder, we've got an eyeliner, and we've got a lipstick as well. I think these products are fab. I think they're absolutely amazing. They look stunning. Really, really pretty packaging. I love the devil and angel theme. And these are the contents from the devil box. So exactly the same product brands, but completely different shades and flavours and things like that. I just think it's so cool. No, I'm really impressed, super impressed. I have a strong feeling that these boxes are going to be a sellout. These are exciting. They're brilliant products, really good value for money, and it's a bit different, isn't it? The design, the packaging and everything is spot on. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of them? Is there a particular box that you would prefer over than the other? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. We're all different, so what I like, you might not like, so this box might not be for you. But it is for me. I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed watching. A little bit of a scatty video today, a little bit all over the place. Hopefully I can pull it together when I edit it. Hopefully. But if you enjoyed, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.